Rhythm. The rhythm of the world, of markets, of customers. Rhythm is everywhere. Rhythm is demanding. Rhythm is life. At GEFCO, our hearts beat to the rhythm in harmony with those around us. Wherever you are in the world, whatever your supply chain need, our global network, specialized in over 10 business sectors, is there where you need us. If you lead in the automotive market, we offer end-to-end solutions. If your priority is in industrial markets, we provide smart and flexible solutions. If you're a major player in life science and healthcare, we ensure reliable results. We're driven by the desire to push back boundaries and respond with agility to your most demanding supply chain challenges. We listen and learn from you and go the extra mile. We believe that long-lasting cooperation creates value and shared growth. We are partners, unlimited.